Thanks for coming on board. Something so simple. How do you wear a harness? Everybody has them, nobody uses them. So everybody, I want you to know this. We're going to watch Simon. So what you guys are going to remember is we're going to put our feet in first, and our tail is going to be on the back. All right, so put your tail on the back because the tail is going to go right on your shoulder like that. So put your two back things in there. So a lot of times, and believe it or not, the experts, when you initially get this from like United Rentals or anything like that, they will typically be packaged and they'll have a little bit of this. I sold a guy a cable about 20 drops on a lift once, and he still had the packaging. So you're generally going to have about 6 feet of clearance. So once you get it from the rental place, crack this open because, of course, you're going to clip it onto a secure spot. So turn around one time, Simon. Now these can adjust. See that there's a little bit there? So let's go ahead and adjust it, make it snug. And in that way, if you do happen to take a tipsy, topsy, turvy, whatever, you can do that. And you just adjust them like this. Give yourself a little bit.
Oh, here we go.
And then these guys also come out, but... There we go.
Oh, okay. You play a little bit.
There you go. And then you just make sure you're... Now, do we have anything on there? No. Some lift kits will actually have a harness right there. Now, is that on there right?
Yep.
No, something wrong.
I think I got it different way.
All right, well, let's readjust.
This one it should be.
Oh, that's why. That's why. So this,
loose?
yeah, it's too loose.
Yep.
So, but you can readjust it, and you want it to be a nice snug fit. You see how it's basically like this, but I have a little bit of play.
Yeah, so we gotta make a job yourself.
So while Simon's readjusting himself and stuff like that, the point of the matter is everybody's going to wear, if you're on a lift, you wear these harnesses. The biggest thing for time consumption is make sure that you got about 6 foot of play, because if you can't maneuver on a lift, you're just wasting time and money. So that's it for learning a kit, and eventually Simon will readjust it for himself, but everybody's walking around in lift kits. And there we go with Simon. He's got it right up there. He's got a nice snug. I'm not going to hit your package too much, and then we got this, and then he's got his 6 feet on there. So just turn around one time. He's got his 6 feet of clearance. He's good to go. He's snug, and he looks professional. You feel safe now?
Yep.
Good. You want to tie each other off and we'll just drag each other? No? All right. Thanks very much for watching our video. Like and subscribe, and it's another internal training. Thank you.